How to change language on Zangi app? Are you guys facing issues to change your language on Zangi app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Zangi app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your own registered email and password. After you get logged in, now click on the setting icon which is located at the right bottom of your screen. Click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be provided with multiple options over here. Scroll down. Now you can see the option for languages. Click on it. Once you click on it, explore the diverse sources which are offered right here. If you want to change it to dots, just simply tap on it. Now click on change to dots. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna change language on Zangi app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.